Good morning children. Jai Hind. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to computer class. Children, today I will not make any drawing. I will explain to you about input and output devices. So let's explore more knowledge about input and output devices of the computer. Children, the computer will be of no use unless it is able to communicate with the outside world. Input and output devices are required for users to communicate with the computer. Do you know children how information gets in your computer and how comes out in a form in which you can use? It is only possible with the help of these devices. So, we will start with input devices. What is the meaning of input device? Input devices are used to send messages to a computer. With the help of input devices, you can interact or communicate with computer. Clear? Children, there are different types of input devices. First one is keyboard, mouse, joystick, optical pen or light pen and scanner. First input device is keyboard. Children, keyboard is invented by Christopher Latham Scholz. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It is made up of buttons called keys. Keyboard is used to enter message into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. Children, there are different types of keys on the keyboard like alphabet keys, numeric keys, function keys, arrow keys, command keys, etc. Keyboard is clear to everyone? Now, next one is mouse. Mouse is another popular input device used with computer. A mouse moves the arrow on the screen and it allows you to click the options and find out the things that help you to get information. Children, when you click on the screen with the help of the mouse, signals are sent to the CPU. Without this, the computer would be useless. Children, if you have laptop at home, you can attach mouse with laptop or you can use wireless mouse also. Next is joystick. Children, joystick is an input device. It is commonly used to control video games. It is something like a mouse, but it consists of a base and a stick that can be moved in any direction. Children, suppose you are playing a car racing game with the help of joystick. Wherever you will move the joystick, the signals will go inside the computer and then your car will also move the same side. Clear children? Next is light pen or optical pen. Light pen is an input device commonly used to select or edit text or data on a screen. Okay, let me explain to you with an example. Have you ever seen cricket match on TV? A commentator draws lines on the screen and tells you that this player should stand there and that player will stand here. So children, commentator draws these lines on the screen with the help of light pen. So this is a optical pen that we can use on the computer screen. So whatever you draw with this light pen, the signals will go inside the computer. So it is an input device. Next is scanner. Scanner is also an input device. Children, it means it copies a picture in digital form. Digital form means electronic signals. After copying the image, the data is transferred to the computer. I will explain to you with an example. Have you all seen a Xerox machine? When you go to do photocopy of your any sheet or any document, Uncle puts that paper on the Xerox machine and press the button, and a similar paper comes out from the machine. In the same way, you put your paper or sheet on the scanner. With the help of scanner, the same paper will be saved inside your computer. Clear, children? Children, today I have explained you about the input devices and also explained how these input devices work. In the next video, I will tell you about the output devices. So this week, revise these input devices. Thank you and have a nice day.